Okay, welcome to Thai Days. A bit of nostalgia today and a story on why I've downgraded my camera. Bit of nostalgia. We're gonna go from this fort over the canal to look at Cafe Lamphu. Yes, and then we're going to look at Sabah, and then we're going to look at Jules again, and then we're going to go to Tibet. Let's hope this works, and let's hope I remember the way. First, a story about my camera. It's a nightmare. I had a nightmare. And here's the story. So I was using the OnePlus 7 Pro for all my camera work. Great camera on that. I could film in 4K. Well, I've gone home, I've plugged it in, and it's gone boom. So yeah, I'm trying to charge my phone up, and I've plugged in the USB-C, and it's completely fried my phone. And I'm gutted. So I've had to buy this little Oppo. This thing will only shoot in HD, but it's going to have to do for a couple of months, and I might have to save for a really nice camera. I'll be using this for a little bit anyway. My advice is, like, when you buy those extension leads from a shop and they're only like 20 baht, well, that's the reason why. Anyway, here's my new little phone. It's not too bad actually. Anyway, let's go for some memories over this bridge. Now, do I remember the way to Cafe Lamphu? I believe from here it's the first left. If I remember, it's a long time. There goes the ice. The ice makers there. School on the right hand side. There's a car behind me. Now, do I remember the way to Cafe Lamphu? I'm pretty sure it's this first left. Pretty sure, if I remember. And most of the time when I left Cafe Lamphu it was half cut anyway. But is it here? Yes it is. There's the guest house, I remember it. Good. No, it's not there. I'm lost. I'm either lost or it's gone. One of the two. Well, I'm lost. There's some nice graffiti here though. Very nice. Well, there's a nice guest house down here. And I think I'm going to head towards Soi 3. Either that or I'm completely lost. Have a guest house there, Bonita house. This would be a nice little area to stay actually, because it's really nice and quiet. Some more really cool graffiti on the wall. Very nice. Well, I'm the top at Samsen Soi Samsen Soi 3 now. I can't find it. I can't find Cafe Lamphu. I think it's gone. Oh well. Maybe I took a wrong turn. Just put it in the comments down below. Ben, you should have took a right, you should have took a left, something like that. I don't know. I'd like to find it. Please give us a like as well. We've got a nice little shop here. Want to do some shopping at the top of Soi 3. It looks like they've got a nice little cafe as well here at the top of Soi 3. And foreigners in there enjoying the food, which is nice to see. Boutique house, Samsen Boutique House is here. Heard some nice things about this restaurant. And of course we've got a little massage place just here if you fancy a massage. And let's walk down Soi 3. Quite quiet today, which is nice. Temple at Samsen. This little factory, something like that. I'm not too sure what they're making there, but it's very nice. And another little temple at the bottom of Soi 3. Some more nice graffiti. Sometimes I think graffiti makes the place look better, especially when you get a really talented graffiti artist. Well, I didn't find Cafe Lamphu, but I found the old Sabah. We used to have some great nights in there, some really great nights. And that's where me and Doug walked on our vlog from Jules Bar all all the way down to Soi 2, which is down there. And there's Soi 4 of the day. Let's get a bus and finish this at the National Library again. Oh, this is a cool little place as well. Just a restaurant in there, very nice as well. Right, we're opposite the National Library. Normally I sum up in there, but today I won't. It's a shame I couldn't find a Cafe Lamphu, and it's so happy that we found Sabah. Did some reminiscence, some memories, and talked about my new camera. It doesn't look too bad actually, I think it looks quite nice. Anyway, get your comments down below if you've got any more suggestions for me on what videos to make. I don't really want to be doing any more temples. I think everybody's templed out, so we'll leave them alone for a while. Expat Paul, he's got a great channel. Shout out to him on his street food. His channel's really growing as well, which is great to see. As always, like and subscribe. Peace, love and unity. See you later.